What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about what cryptocurrency should I buy next? And if we can get 2 people to watch this, I'll tell you guys what crypto I just bought last night. If we can get 2 watchers, just 2, tell you what crypto I just bought last night. And I'm very happy about it. All right, we got 1 person. Hello, we got 1 person. Let's let YouTube do its thing. And then, okay, we got nobody. All right. YouTube, help me out. Come on, YouTube. So today, Bitcoin is down 1.34%. Well, it actually looks like it's moving higher now. Now that I click on the actual chart, it is at 110,856. And this could be it. We could be this close to the breakout. Okay? This close to Bitcoin breaking out. I fully expect Bitcoin to at least hit 137,000 this year. Bare minimum, Bitcoin should hit 137,000. That's my prediction. I don't know what your prediction is, but you guys got to make your own. Get your own prediction. 137K. That's what I think we're going to hit this year. So right now we're at 110. If that's true, then that leaves us with 27,000 to go. That's a lot of profits. Did you see Hut 8 Mining, HUT, and Marathon Digital Holdings, MARA? Those are 2 good crypto miners, okay? And Hut could be on its way to $100 a share. So could Marathon Digital Holdings. They could be going right up to $100 a share. And there's no real way to know. The only thing we know for certain is that if Bitcoin goes higher, then all the cryptocurrencies are going to go higher, including the crypto miners like TeraWolf, Riot Blockchain, CLSK. Lots and lots of good companies out there to invest in the crypto space. Okay? Bitfarms, BITF. That's a good one, Bitfarms. And another good one is BTCS. Buy Pepe coin, then buy some more. Or you could just buy Pepe coin. So, guys, what cryptocurrency should I buy? Jesus Rodriguez says Pepe. As you already know, yes, I will buy more Pepe. Getting a good protein drink in right now. I bought the top yesterday again and bought the dip today. I just keep stacking before the train leaves the station. Yeah, oh, are you talking about Pepe or something else? But, yeah, the train's going to leave the station, you know. Bitcoin is going to be going a lot higher. Stock market, it's ready for a melt up. This is it, you know. I would have thought that the melt-up would have started to happen already because we're actually getting so close to the economy collapsing. We're getting really close to the whole economy just collapsing. And I didn't think, I would have thought that the rally would have already started. And it kind of is. It kind of is. If you look at the Dow Jones, we're near all-time highs. But it just seems like it's just very boring. The markets are going higher, but it's just taken such a long time. And I think we're going through a correction the past couple days, too. Well, the NASDAQ was down yesterday. We're just going through a small correction. But the stock market could be ready to go crazy again. Okay? I was taking a look at Blink Charging. Guys, if we're going to get another repeat of 2021, what do you want to invest in? You want to invest in the same shit that skyrocketed in 2021. Okay? You got your Tesla. You got your GameStop. AMC. You got Blink Charging. ChargePoint Holdings, which I don't like that one. It just reverse split. But you've got a lot of different assets that skyrocketed back in 2021. It's going to be the same type of thing. Okay? So that's why this gentleman is buying before the train leaves the station. Because we're going to get another repeat of 2021. It's going to be another risk on. Risk on. That's what we need. What is preventing the risk on environment? High interest rates. What's changing? Powell might lower the interest rates finally. And guess what? They're probably 5 rate cuts behind schedule. Because the economy is going like this. They needed to cut rates a long time ago. But honestly, guys, to protect their currency, they should have raised rates even higher. But they're not going to do that. They're going to keep inflating the currency, inflating the assets. Money is going to find a place to go. Money does not want to sit idle in the bank. It's going to find somewhere to go. We're talking TeraWolf stock. We're talking DJT stock. First Majestic Silver. Silver Corp Metals. Tesla. More specifically, TSLL. Okay? You know, semiconductor stocks. Although I'm not really sure about the semiconductors because of the tariffs, how that impacts that. But yes, I do think semiconductor stocks will go up probably. Nvidia is probably going to hit close to $300 before everything crashes. A crash is coming. Just don't know how soon. Okay? And how high are the markets going to go before that crash? I believe there will be a sign that the market is getting to the top. There will be signs. There will be things to look for. Okay? One thing to look for is when the market just starts going parabolic. Another thing to look for is when insiders start buying puts and insiders start going short. That's what we can watch for to know when we need to go short too. And short these markets, you know? I am not short on anything right now. I'm not shorting these markets. Interest rates fill the bankers' pockets. Yeah. They mess everything up. But yeah, guys, we got to stay serious about our investments, okay? So that's what I want to leave you with today. And then I'm going to come back for a workout. We're going to do I'll show you, but we're going to do the chest and the arms and the shoulders today. All right? So I'm going to be back in about an hour and a half for that workout. But guys, remember, you're not going to make any money if you're not invested. Okay? If you just want to be scared and say, oh, well, but it could crash. It could crash. Yes, it's going to crash. It's going to. But not yet. Okay? Not yet. We're looking at big things happening before the crash. There could be big things. Okay? Stock market could go crazy. I, for one, am back in on DJT stock. Okay? I just got back in on this like a week ago. DJT. T. And it's up 5% today. It's up to 18. Well, it just dropped. So I'm going to tell all the Patreon members what I'm doing with DJT stock. And I got to do that later, okay? I promise you guys I will have a good Patreon video coming out for you. If you guys want to get the best gold stocks, please join the Patreon, not financial advice. You got to be in it to win it. If you're going to sit and be scared, you're not going to make shit. You're not going to make nothing. Okay? And then what's going to happen? 2 years from now, you're going to be in the same spot. Or you're just going to be struggling to grind a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. You got to take action here on some of this shit, guys. PEPE, Shiba Inu. I got over $3,000. Between Shiba Inu and PEPE, I got over $4 grand, $4,000. And I believe that's going to go up to at least 15,000. At least. Probably 20,000. So guys, there's huge gains. Don't sit by and just do nothing. Okay? Let's get it, guys. Let's get our money. And remember, I'm in on, well, I'll tell you about this stock on the Patreon too. Guys, join the Patreon for the best stocks. All right, guys? Thanks, Jesus. Thanks for being a moderator and helping out with the moderating.